Love ClickUp because it has a nice user interface. The Google Slack integration is super helpful, and I love being able to track how my members are progressing along their tasks. As a sponsorship member, this is a super helpful component, and I just love that my members are able to share with me what they're up to, and at the same time I'm also able to give feedback to them through that, and that our project managers can get an overview of how we're doing as a team.
As a project manager, it's very hard to kind of like stay organized and kind of know what I need to get done on a daily basis. So I like using ClickUp to kind of stay organized, organize my tasks by due dates, and use some of the features like automation to assign me certain tasks automatically on what I need to do and when I need to get it done by. And as a project manager, I can find it really hard to kind of get everything done on time, but ClickUp helps me stay organized and helps me keep the team organized as a whole.
Welcome to the Waterloop ClickUp page. So as you can see, we separate everything into different spaces based on subteams, and under each of these spaces there are different subspaces based on each subteam's needs. So if we look under the Business and Marketing tab, I can show you how we often organize our tasks. So we often start with Open, In Progress, In Review, Blocked, and Closed. Most of us find this the most efficient way for us to track our tasks, but it can differ for each subteam. For example, in Firmware, under the Research tab, they also have a backlog option, which is more useful for them. Something I love about how we have our ClickUp set up is that if I create a new task, just like this one here, you can see that I'm automatically assigned as a watcher as well as our PMs. This is super helpful in allowing the project managers to have an overview of how the team is keeping track with our progress.
As a co-op supervisor, it's really hard to keep tasks straight for what my co-op needs to accomplish during the week. So ClickUp helps me break down the big ideas into smaller ones with very achievable goals, and I can set timelines. With those timelines and tasks, there are often dependencies that I can use to create more tasks and link up everything. So that way, whenever somebody else has to take over, if I'm not there, they understand completely what's going on, and my co-op can actually keep track of what he needs to do for the next day, week, month, and so on.
ClickUp recently added this whiteboard feature, which I find to be particularly useful. Although I'm currently the only person on this page at the moment, it is a collaborative space that I can break up tasks and visualize it for my members, and they can look at changes in real time and provide feedback using the elements available. So as we can see here, I've used this to break down the battery management system blog post into the first steps of contacting electrical leads and looking over the BMS portion of technical systems overview document, and then compiling that information back into one place and putting it into our drive, and then that going to compiling the first draft of our blog post. This helps members see exactly what they need to do, and they're also able to give me feedback on any information that they might need more of. So our first question here is in the yellow dots. So who are the electrical lead? And then another question of if there's another doc that should be referenced in writing this post. So I found this pretty useful so far, and I can't wait to further explore the functionalities of the whiteboard.
Waterloop has been together with ClickUp since 2019. They have been with us since Goose 4, and now we are currently working towards our Goose 6 pod. This is our 10th term together, and we're very excited to show you guys what we've been working on since we've been working together for so long, and we really love all the support that ClickUp has been providing for us.